You can shout, impose yourself, and try to force people to listen to you, but that won't make anyone respect you. On the other hand, you can simply walk into a place and feel that everyone naturally respects you. The difference between these two situations lies in the attitudes we have. Most people spend their entire lives trying to be respected in the wrong way. They demand attention instead of earning it, and because of that, they never succeed. Today, I'm going to show you 4 attitudes to naturally earn people's respect. After this video, you won't be the same person. First attitude: talk less and do more. We live in an era where everyone has an opinion about everything. Social media is full of people making promises, announcing projects, and talking about what they're going to do. But how many actually do it? People who earn respect don't keep announcing every step they're going to take. They simply do it, and when the results appear, they speak for themselves. When you promise too much and deliver too little, you lose credibility. But when you deliver without promising anything, you surprise people, and positive surprises generate respect. So, the next time you feel like telling everyone about that project, that goal, or that change you're going to make, hold your tongue. Work in silence and let your success make the noise. Second attitude: have your own opinions. Nothing generates more disrespect than someone who repeats what others say, who changes their opinion depending on who they're talking to, or who agrees with everything just to please. Having your own opinions doesn't mean being stubborn or arrogant. It means thinking for yourself. It means having the courage to disagree when necessary, even if your opinion isn't popular. People respect those who have convictions, those who know how to defend their ideas with solid arguments and aren't easily swayed by the opinions of others. Of course, this also means being open to changing your mind when someone presents better arguments than yours, but this change comes from personal reflection, not from external pressure. So, stop being an echo. Develop your critical thinking, read more, question more, and have the courage to be yourself, even when it's not convenient. Third attitude: avoid speaking badly about others. Do you know what happens when you speak badly about someone behind their back? The people who are listening immediately think, if he talks like that about that person, he talks about me too when I'm not around. Gossip and bad-mouthing destroy your reputation faster than anything else. You might even get a few laughs in the moment, but you lose the respect of the people who really matter. Respected people don't need to diminish others to feel big. They focus on their own lives and challenges. If you have a problem with someone, resolve it directly with that person. If you have nothing good to say, simply don't say anything. And when you're in a group where people start speaking badly about someone, have the courage not to participate. Rest assured, this attitude will earn you much more respect than any malicious comment. Fourth attitude: avoid complaining too much. People who constantly complain end up becoming invisible. No one takes seriously someone who is always victimizing themselves and finding reasons not to make something work. Complaining is easy, anyone can do it. What earns respect is finding solutions, adapting, and moving forward despite the circumstances. This doesn't mean repressing your feelings or pretending everything is fine when it's not. It means choosing your battles, complaining less, and acting more. The next time you feel like complaining, ask yourself, what can I do to change this? If you can do something, do it. If you can't, accept it and move on. This mentality will transform not only how others see you, but also how you see yourself. So, if you want to be respected, talk less and do more. Have your own opinions. Avoid speaking badly about others, and avoid complaining too much. These simple attitudes will transform the way people see you. Now, tell me, what do you do to be respected? Leave your response here in the comments. And if this video made you reflect, subscribe to the channel, leave your like, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. I'll see you in the next video.